Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to my class. Here's my introduction. This is Deepa Barua. Today's topic is use of this, that, this and those. That means today we are discussing about it. So let's start at our topic. At first comes to the this word. We use this to refer to people and things. Situation and experience is close to the speaker or very close in time. That means when we use this to talk about one people, one thing that near to us. On the other hand, we use that to refer to people and things. Situation and experience is more distant or far away. That when we talked about one people and things that not near to us. Let's see some examples. Here one boy and one car. The car is close to the boy, so we use this word. This is a car, and the this spelling is THIS. Another example. The car is not near zone, it's little far away, right? So we use that word. That is a car. And next comes to the third word is this. This spelling THEAC. This. Mainly we use this to refer many people and things, situation and experience that are close to the speaker or very close in time. That means this person means many people or one more things that is close to us. And then those. What's the spelling? THOAC. We use those to refer many people and things, situations and experience that are more distant, are not close to us. We see those group are close to the boy. So here which one is come? Yes, this one. And then the cat's group is not near zone. It's far away from the boy, so those words we have to use here. Those spelling again, I am repeating THOAC. Those. Let's watch a video about this topic. This word. Look, this is a pencil. This is a book. This is a ball. This is a balloon. This is a kite. This is a jar. This is a cat. This is my home. Now second word that. That is my home. That word. Home is far from me, so we use that word. And this is my home. Because home is not far from me, it's near to us. That is my school. The school is far from me, so we use that. This is my school. That is my friend. Hello friend, the friend is far from me. And second picture, this is my friend. This is an apple tree. That is a mango tree. We use this because apple tree is close to me and mango. This is my home. That is your home. Now this word, the spelling THEAC. These are my pens. These are my clothes. These are my balloons. These are my toys. These are my books. Now those words, spelling THOS. Those are my toys. Those are my erasers. we use those when things are far from us. Now, this and that word. This and that word is singular form because we talked about one thing. Look, this is an apple. Here one apple, not one more. And second picture, that is an apple. We see 3 apples. That means one more apples. When we talked about one more thing, that means many things, many people, many person. And we use this word. And these apples are close to me. These are apples and those are apples. We see beautiful toys. So many toys. Now these are my toys. Here we use our word because when we see or when we talked about one more things, then we use are. These are my toys and those are my toys. It's quiz time. Fill in the missing words. Now you have to write the appropriate word. Which word comes here? Now see the picture and find out the word. First question, dash house is nice. And then I like dash cat. Apples are red. I think dash cupcakes look tasty. So students, hurry up, write down in your copy. Hope you have done it. Now answers time. First answer is that. That house is nice. Second answer is this. I like this cat. Third answer, this. These apples are red. Fourth answer, I think those cupcakes look tasty. This is your homework. Thanks for watching my video. Everyone stay safe.